So this is the field before Ihor showed up. And this is the field after Ihor shows up. I love my job.